Good day. This is Market Wisdom for Traders. It is developed for forex traders, stock traders, options, commodities, futures, derivatives, crypto, and all chart-related trading. We have been trading since 2007, close to 20 years now. So we are well experienced, and we are speaking from the position of truth, absolute truth. So we are available for training. We can ensure over 100% consistent profit in return. Contact us for account management or training. You can contact us on 080 375 97085. So this is just part of our contribution to the development of would-be traders or current traders. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. This is a wealth of experience that you shouldn't undermine in any form. Always know exactly where you stand. Don't concentrate too much of your money on one big trade or group of highly correlated trades. Always understand the risk/reward of the trade as it now stands, not as it existed when you put the position on. When you are in a losing streak, your ability to properly assimilate and analyze information starts to become distorted because of the impairment of the confidence factor, which is a big product of a losing streak. You have to work very hard to restore that confidence, and cutting back trading size help achieve that goal. You have to trade at a size such that if you are not exactly right in your timing, you won't be blown out of your position. My approach is to build to a larger size as the market is going my way. I'm definitely a scaling type of trader. I do the same thing getting out of positions. I don't say, fine, I have made enough money. This is it. I'm out. Instead, I start to lighten up as I see the fundamentals or price action changing. You have to be able to let your profits run. I don't think you can consistently be a winning trader if you are banking on being right more than 50% of the time. You have to figure out how to make money being right only 20 to 30% of the time. You don't have to hold a position when you don't understand what is going on. That doesn't make any sense. Some of the large banks have as many as 70 trading rooms worldwide. Not all banks are profitable in their trading every year. I don't trade on dreams or rumors. I'm a fundamental trader. I try to assemble facts and decide what kind of scenario I think will unfold. To walk in and trade on dreams is absurd. Trades that are the most difficult to trade are often the successful ones. Before I put on a trade, I always ask myself, if this trade goes wrong, how do I get out? However, despite all my planning, trading decisions are made that might best be described as instinctive. The best traders I know are really quite brilliant, and they all work very hard, much harder than everyone else. When I talk about working hard, I mean commitment and focus. It has nothing to do with how many hours you spend in the office. These traders have tremendous commitment to the market, to their craft, so to speak. They develop scenarios, we evaluate scenarios, collect information, and reevaluate that information. They constantly ask themselves, what am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? How can I do what I'm doing better? How can I get more information? It is obsessive. Courage. It is not enough to simply have the insight to see something apart from the rest of the crowd. You also need to have the courage to act on it and to stay with it. It is very difficult to be different from the rest of the crowd the majority of the time, which by definition is what you are doing if you are a successful trader. Many people think that trading can be reduced to a few rules. Always do this, always do that. To me, trading isn't about always at all. It is about each situation. So many people want the positive reward of being a successful trader without being willing to go through the commitment and pain. And there is a lot of pain. You give up a lot of things. It's all trade-off. It is the middle of the night. Everyone else is asleep. And you are sitting in front of a machine with glowing green numbers, with a pain in your psyche because the market is going against you. And you don't know whether the fundamentals have changed or whether it is just a meaningless short-term move. Those are very trying times. This brings us to the end of episode 42 for today. Stick with us next week for episode 43. Remember to subscribe, share. You can contact us for account management and training. We guarantee over 100% profit return. We have been trading for close to 20 years now. Don't undermine this wealth of experience. It's just part of our social responsibility to help you grow as a trader. Thank you.